How to FUBAR a space mission involving destroying a meteor heading towards Earth so thoroughly everyone goes WTF? Inspired by true-ish, not really. Back in 1998, humanity watched in awe as Armageddon introduced the groundbreaking idea that the best way to stop a world-ending asteroid was to launch a group of oil rig workers into space, hand them nukes, and yell, "Good luck!" Fast forward to today, and we ask the only logical follow-up question. What if we took that already bonkers premise and made it go completely off the rails? This is your guide to FUBARing a space mission so epically, so catastrophically, that Bruce Willis himself would stand back, shrug, and say, "I'm out." In the vast silent vacuum of space, even the tiniest mistake can lead to catastrophic consequences. But what if, just for fun, you wanted to absolutely, unapologetically recognition that so badly that scientists, civilians, and space senators across the globe simultaneously threw up their hands into the air and yell, "What the F?" Here's how the FUBAR followed up beyond all recognition a meteor destroying space mission in spectacular fashion. Number 1. Accidentally blow up the space shuttle before it even gets to the meteor. Every great FUBAR starts with good intentions. You launch the most advanced space shuttle Earth has to offer, equipped with nuclear warheads, a team of elite astronauts, and enough snack packs to survive a galactic road trip. How do you mess it up? Easy. Install the detonator switch next to the coffee machine. One jittery engineer with shaky hands tries to brew an espresso, and boom, shuttle confetti. Now here's a cloud of flaming debris orbiting Earth like a glitter bomb of regret. Bonus points if the explosion is live streamed and accidentally scores better ratings than the Super Bowl. You might think, hey, at least the meteor is still out there untouched. Don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. Step 2. Propelling an even bigger meteor towards Earth. So your first plan backfired and Earth is now more doomed than ever. But can you double down? Oh yes, you can. On using the backup space shuttle, hastily assembled from spare parts and duct tape. Your new goal is to gently nudge it and the meteor off course using controlled explosions. But the first series of unfortunate calculations, and by that we mean you will at your turn use ChatGPT to do the math. You accidentally create a chain reaction that flings a larger, undetected, and even angrier looking meteor from the asteroid belt straight towards Earth. It's now on collision path with more kinetic energy than every Michael Bay film combined. Congratulations, you upgraded Earth's problem from planet ending to solar system embarrassment. The International Space agencies are so stunned they started playing Uno with the launch codes because nothing else matters anymore. Honorable mentions for bonus WTFs. The alien mix-up. Your deep space signal accidentally insults a planetary alien race who now think the meteor is a gift and are sending a fake fleet with lasers. The budget cut surprise. Turns out half the mission control team were unpaid interns using Google Translate to decode the launch instructions. AI override. Your mission AI, designed to optimize trajectory and yield, reads a red threat about nihilism and decides to see what happens if Earth gets hit. Final thoughts. FUBARing a space mission this hard isn't easy. It takes dedication, negligence, and total spread for common sense. But if done right, you won't just fail. You'll create a legacy of disaster so infamous it earns its own conspiracy theories, movie rates, and a commemorative snack line. And really, isn't that what space exploration is all about? Hey there, fantasy and science fiction fans, lovers. If you can't get enough of mystical realms, futuristic worlds, and thrilling adventures, then you come to the right place. By subscribing to Fantasy and Science Fiction at Story Nori, you gain access to an amazing collection of stories that will transport you to realms beyond your imagination. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll never miss out on the latest tales of wizards, time travels, space exploration, and so much more. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the best in fantasy and science fiction storytelling, and we're always adding new and exciting content for you to enjoy. But that's not all. By subscribing, you'll be also becoming part of our incredible community of fellow fantasy and sci-fi enthusiasts. You'll be first to know about the latest content for the channel that you won't find anywhere else. So what are you waiting for? Join us on this epic journey into the unknown by subscribing to Fantasy and Science Fiction at Story Nori. Today, your next thrilling adventure awaits. Right, hit that subscribe button and let the storytelling begin. Thank you for being part of our amazing community. We can't wait to share even more incredible stories with you.